Hi and welcome back. So let's see if you can remember the four characters from the third row. So identify the sounds. 라당 ngözin ch. First this one, then this one, and this one, and this one. And now I'll say them out loud and you can test yourself to see if you remembered them. Ta, 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 na. And let's move on here. This is a slide with the mealtime prayer. And if you've seen my other videos, you know I've done an entire video on the translation of this, but I'll just give you a brief translation now that maybe you'll find helpful. So the little instruction is about the method, the how to offer food when you're eating. 세추 불당. So 세추, food eating, 불 offering, 당 the method, like how to do it. How to offer food. 세추 불당. So the four lines are essentially to the best, most precious teacher, the Buddha, to the best, most precious teaching, the Dharma, to the best, most precious guides, the Sangha, I make offerings to you, the three rare and best places for refuge. So I'll just read through them in Tibetan and you can look in my notes for the details, or you can have a look at the other video where I do a full breakdown of this one. So the first line is Dumba Lame Sangye Rinpoche Chopa or Chopa Lame Tamche Rinpoche Demba Lame Gendun Rinpoche Chabne Kuncho Sumla Chopa Bul. That's a good one to learn, to memorize. So now we're going to be looking at the next row, which is the pa row, right? Selje consonants, pa, de. So the row of pa consonants or the group of pa consonants. Uchen on top, ume on bottom. So pa, 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 ma. And the first word we have here is papa, papa, which is a father, right? You show he's got his two kids here. So this is a father. Di, papa, re. Di, papa, re. This is a father. And next we have, with the letter pa, we're going to look at the word pama, pama. So you take the pa from the word father and the word ma from the word mother, and they become parents. Pama are parents. So I like, mm, I like the parents, I guess is the sentence. In English, you usually would say something like, I like my parents. Uh, but in this case, we're not using my. We're saying I, nga, ama, parents, at, la, gabo, liking, ye, having, have. I have a liking for parents. I have a liking for parents. I like parents. But in English, you would usually say, I like my parents. So I'll just say it again. Nga pamala gabo ye. Nga pamala gabo ye. I like parents. I like my parents. Next we have pa, the low tone blue pa. So para. The para is this enclosure here, right? Call it a cow shed, a cow corral or something like this. Pachuk, these are the pachuk, these are the cows. Pachuk, para, and that's the para, the enclosure. I, so of. Nangtu, within, like the fish in the other slide. Duk, are. So recent information, you know they are in a place. Okay, so the cows are in the cowshed. Pachuk, para yi nangtu, duk. So the cows are inside or within of the cowshed. The cows are within the cowshed, or the cows are inside of the cowshed. Pachuk, para yi nangtu, duk. Mama. Mama is a nanny. A nanny. A lady who's taking care of somebody else's children. So, di mama re. This is a nanny. Di mama re. And that's it for this one in any case.